Hi gang, welcome back to the channel. Tailgates and Toolboxes here. I have a product review, and what we have today is, ta-da! We have a Kodak Chamera camera. This is a keychain camera that runs on a micro SD card. This is the millennial, I guess, series you want to say. This is the second series. The first series was called like 1987, which I will be doing a review on when I get that camera in. They are both basically the same camera. It's a fun little keychain camera, and it's like, sorry about the glare, it's the box. And you get one of 6 colors, and there's a mystery color, and it runs on a micro SD card. And the whole point of this camera is to it's the throwback to like 1987, like maybe like the 2000s, like when cameras weren't so good and the pixelation was low. You know, you're not expecting miracles with this camera. It's like you're basically taking a picture that it's 2026, but the picture kind of looks like it's 1987 or like even 1999. It's more of a novelty item. So this is what they call a blind box. It's sealed, so I don't know what I'm going to get. So I'm sorry about the glare, but it's got different, you can add little different photo frames. It's got photo filters. You could do like different things, black and white, Sophia, colors. So, like I said, there's a this is the second series. There's also a 1987 one that says 1987. I'm waiting for that camera to come in, so I'll do a review on that. But it's basically the same camera. So let's do this unboxing, and we'll see what we get. I also have I bought from Amazon, brand new. I have a 32 gigabyte SD card I got from Amazon. This is like $10. So it's a USB-C charging. They're saying like on a full battery you can take about 100 photos. It does video, so let's see which one we get. Ta-da! We got, oh cool, we got the black one. Nice. Wow. Kodak Gold. That's pretty cool. I like that. Very retro looking. That's your power button, your shutter button. You got your LDC screen to view, and then you got your buttons to toggle up through the menu. Your viewfinder, it's got a viewfinder, but doesn't really like go in here with the actual screen. You're just better off taking off with the screen. That's pretty cool. I like that. That's pretty cool. And was this one of the colors? Yes. This wasn't the mystery color. This was one of the colors you can get. So, like I said, it's more of a novelty item. So, it measures about, I want to say like 2.5 inches by almost an inch by 3/4 of an inch deep. Pretty cool. You get a trading card of your camera, and on the back is a QR code, and basically you scan this and it gives you the instructions on there, you know, how to use it. You get the USB-C charging cable. To how to charge it. And oops, sorry. Bang it. You get a keychain. I think this keychain is actually a lot better than the other one, the 1987 series. So let's put that on. I got small fingers, and this is like. We'll fuss with that later. That's not a big deal. We're gonna fuss with that later. So, it's not bad. Pretty nice. I like that. The black and gold. That's pretty cool. Very retro looking. I like that. That's awesome. So, all right. So, I'm gonna put the SD card in. So. And you gotta hold it in until you hear it click. There you go. It's in. SD card's in. Don't know if we're gonna have any power. We might have to charge this up. Alright. We're gonna. A little hard to see with the glare. Select camera. We got 99,000 photos we can take. And we have 2 bars in the battery. So, not bad. It's a little hard to see. I'm sorry about the glare. It's a little hard to see, the glare. But you could do other things. You can, like I said, you could take videos. But like I said, it's more of a novelty item. So, it's cute. Something to have fun with. Like I said, you're not going to be a professional photographer with this. It's more of the nostalgia factor. Just more to have fun with it. So, alright, I'm going to go out and take some photos with it. And I'll make another post. And I'll keep you updated. And then when the 1987 version comes in, the first series, I'll do a video on that. So, alright. So, thank you for joining me in this unboxing of the Kodak Chamera camera, the Millennial Edition. So, alright guys, thanks for watching, I appreciate it, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.